To Motorons. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you have subscribed because I keep posting sensational videos every week. So today I will tell you about the news of some cars in India. Yes, of course. So firstly, let me tell you, in 2021, it's gonna blast. Like the automotive industries are gonna blast because of some new launches, which includes Tesla and facelift of Toyota Fortuner. Okay, so let's continue. So first, let's change the camera angle, not angle, the camera position in 3, 2, 1, and here you see. Okay, so let's see what's our first news for today. Okay, so the first news today is Tesla in India. Yes, if you don't know, Tesla has confirmed that it is coming in India in 2021. Tesla will start the operations in India from 2021 mid. Tesla will enter India with its entry-level model, Tesla Model 3. The bookings for that will start in January. I think that Tesla Model 3's price should vary from 55 to something 60 lakhs. So yeah, those are the rumors which are coming. Like Tesla Model 3 should cost between 55 to 60 lakhs because there are basically 100 to 200% import duties in India. So it can't cost that much because it costs 25 lakhs in America. But I don't think that buying a Tesla Model 3 will be worth, because you only think, should we buy a 20, sure, what will you say, yeah, so you only think that should we pay 60 lakh rupees for a 25 lakh rupees car? I would go for the Volvo XC60 or the BMW 3 Series any day. Okay, so let's continue. Coming to our second news. Okay, so here comes our second news. Toyota Fortuner facelift. So let me tell you, the facelift for Toyota Fortuner is due from a very long time, and the facelift for Toyota Fortuner is not very far. It's here on 6th Jan. On 6th Jan you can see the new Toyota Fortuner. I am telling you about the Toyota Fortuner facelift, not the Toyota Legender. No one can rule at what time and what date the Legender will enter India. I think the prices of Toyota Fortuner should go up by 2 or 4 lakh in the Indian automotive market, because whenever a facelift comes, the prices are increased. Okay, so let's move on to our third point. But wait, still, I think that we should not buy Toyota Fortuner because of the brand name. I think Toyota Fortuner is not that worth. Only for build quality and brand name? No. You can get Endeavour, Altroz G4 Pajero Sport. If you want build quality, if you want features, you can go for the MG Gloster, which is way more better, and I think the best in segment. It even provides massage, which is kinda cool. So I don't think, and I don't know why people buy Fortuner this much. Why do they love Fortuner? So continuing the video, let's go to our third point. Oh, Ford removed some features from its Endeavour. Okay, yeah. So as we know, the facelift of Toyota Fortuner is coming soon. So Endeavour said we also need a facelift in a year. So let's delete some features from the current model. What's this, Ford? So the Ford has removed features from its Endeavour so that it has a bulk of features when the next facelift comes. Okay, this was disappointing, Ford. Yeah, it was really disappointing. Okay, then it comes Mahindra Scorpio next gen launch. Okay, so the Mahindra has confirmed that it will launch the next gen Scorpio in April 2021, which is 3 or 4 months from now. So I am just waiting, because this car is gonna make a blast. It's gonna make a spectacular and mind-boggling attention towards itself when it gets launched. You know, the current Scorpio, which which doesn't provide any feature, has more sales value than MG Hector. Yeah, but just 2 minutes, not minutes, units more than the MG Hector. And I think that the next gen Scorpio should like price between 10 to 20 lakh, like the current model is varying from 10 to 20 lakh. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, next gen XUV 500 coming soon. Yes, so there are rumors out that the next gen XUV 500 could launch anytime in 2021, and it will price between 15 to 24 lakhs. I think the XUV 500 deal would be better than the Scorpio. So Jaguar said that what will we say? The facelift for XF and F-Pace are due for a long time, so let's launch them together. Yeah, the facelift for F-Pace, Sport Brake, and everything is launched in England. Let's come to a next point. Kia Seltos facelift. This is not a confirmed news, but there are rumors out like Kia Seltos is getting an electric version and a facelift soon. Not soon, in 2021. There are rumors out there. It can be, they can be myths. It can be true or it can be false. Then here comes our last point, and the favorite point for everyone in India, because this point is about the favorite car of Indians, the new Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Okay, so this is gonna launch really soon, and this is also out there globally. I think it should launch between June or July something, and it should cost around 13 to 15 lakhs. Top model ex showroom, and this will directly compete with the Sonnet, Venue, and the Nexon. Okay, guys, to here it's the time to leave. So as usual, like the video, hit the bell icon. Yeah, but for hitting the bell icon, you need to first subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. And also a giveaway is coming up. So for that, you need to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like and share the video, and then the descriptions, like no, not the descriptions, the steps for that are in the description below. Thank you.